Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview. And today we are going to talk about a text comparison tool called WinMerge. And I received a question here, and they were asking me, how can we compare two text files since we have two text files that are identical and we cannot find out what are the modifications and what are the changes. So we need a comparison tool. And yes, to answer that question or to answer that inquiry, all you have to do is just download WinMerge at 8downloads.com. You go ahead and search it on our website. And then once you have downloaded WinMerge and installed it, you can do that by going to your documents. I have here the document that I think that is modified and due to the date of access or the date modified. So what I'm going to do right now is I highlighted the two documents, right click, and then click on WinMerge. Now this time it will load the WinMerge and you will see that oh, there you go. So the power of this WinMerge is that you will see the error. This one at the text here, it says for all that's yet, and this one is for all that X yet to be. So there is really a power with this, and not only that, you can see that there are also other highlighted there you go, highlighted sentences or phrases that it seems it's modified. Alright, so right now that's the good thing about WinMerge, and you can download this from 8downloads.com. So this is Chris saying have a great day to all.